In this video, we'll explain the tagging functionality. With this functionality, you can easily mark your browser profiles to make it clear what the status of a particular browser profile is. This makes work in Incogniton even easier for you and your team members. First, click on Action in the Browser Profile Overview. Then click on Tag Management. A pop-up will now appear where you can create your own tags. You can give the tag a name, background color, and icon. Once you've done this, click Add. Your newly created tag will now be added, but don't forget to save it. You can create as many tags as you like, with all the combinations of names, background colors, and icons. Now it's time to add tags to one or multiple browser profiles. Please select the browser profiles where you want to assign a tag to. Then click on Action and then Assign Tags to Profiles. Once you arrive in the Assign Tag dashboard, you can start with assigning the tags to the browser profiles. You do this by selecting the browser profiles to which you want to add a tag, and then clicking on Assign Tags to Profiles. Or you can do this by selecting the profiles or a certain profile, and afterwards click on the checkbox. Once you're done with assigning tags, click on Save Tag Assignments. You can add as many tags to a browser profile as you want. Once you have finished adding your tags, you can also easily filter by tags. This makes it easier to view a specific group of browser profiles. If you still have any questions about this feature, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact our support department. Thank you for watching this video.